Hello guys, I'm just here on the coin because I'll show you not more magic because this is triangle. This is dangerous for this magic. If you want to tanggal, you should do this one. Okay. When you drop it, it will dress a lot of shape. You hear. The hand is not. When you put an eye hand, it's just voice. Well, I'll show you when it's voiced. When the million times voice, it voice. When the
Speeding up, slowing down.
Papa, don't sing. Don't sing.
Kuya, nag-vlog nga siya, kuya.
Ay, sorry.
That's okay. and then you should wrap your block. You wrap your diary stay on a block. Then you find some treasures today. See, it's opening. It's so magic. So I'm going to magic. If you want to put it inside, just oil. Just oil. If you want to get it in, just oil.
Walang ketchup.
Remove this one, and then it opens. See?
Sabi ko walang ketchup. Sabi niya, may ketchup
So
po ba?
this one.
Anong gagawin namin dito sa burger?
See? Ta-da! You will notice that the open sesame are here. See? When you ready to close, you are so happy today. And then you wrap up the few pieces on your hand, and then you wrap, and then you wrap and wrap and wrap. See, it's a jam. Click subscribe to get more videos and like. Okay, bye.